Well, if y'all follow the channel at all, you know how dedicated I am to getting these out and the way I tell you that they're supposed to be out. This one fell a touch short. My technician didn't do exactly what he told me he would do. So anyway, I was up till about 4:30 this morning, and now I'm going to deliver this thing. It's now 9, so you can calculate I slept about 3.5 hours. Anyway, you're not here for that. You're here to see how to reset the maintenance light. Check it out. All right, you're gonna turn it on, make sure that it's on odometer. And you're going to cut the key off. You're going to hold down the reset button right here. Okay. Turn that key back on while holding the reset. Boom, you see that maintenance light flash. Let go. It goes away. You have successfully reset your maintenance required light when you do your oil change. Or I guess if you're like, you know, skipping oil changes or something, don't do that. It's bad. Anyway, that's how you reset your maintenance light. Hope you have a good day.